Chairman. Yes, we are fine.
I'm sorry,
I also sorry that you oh yes, me again. So oh they say so hagin so finano. Finano so you ukrono.
Afia, to go. Bibi wo wiase.
Sure.
Finally, Captain Smart asabo Onua TV subiem. After say Onua Kasa ebe announce that they were free. Onua TV, that is under Media General, were free honomono. I feel they were saba back. Him so buy na. Wabe chiremu DNT or go for that 2 weeks break. Out chiremu o twashi ko koma ka owo na owo ko na koma ne mukura busia okopie heaven. Eko hu abofo. Ogo hu abofo ni akonkrufo bi enso Captain Smart abe kan ebusia esni kuroi edisi e ka kire aha Penyah block media mesro se ni dim obe like video no anda ma obe subscribe button so make click bell notification icon of latest update na be kire wa adwen dia mame e wo comment section mesro zo baswa na shi video no so enya bi ahye eti be kaya exactly 5th May ana me video me kire se no Captain Smart Onua Kasa aya na so say afedie wo go break from Onua TV. If you know, you who I was screen the subject.
My phone, you will permit to the car. I am taking a break. I don't know when I'm coming back. I may come back. I may not come back. I am done. Thank everybody. I mean, from the camera people, to technical, to sales, to Tv, to Myanmar, to Handoff, to Jude, all of you. You have been so good and kind to me. My Yema family, Emma Beye, I am done. I am done. By the grace of God, any people can hear one. I think that JD can continue. Tago can continue. That's why I brought JD. Me, I am done. By the grace of God, we'll meet somewhere. We'll meet somewhere. And baby, I did you must show inside. I am great when the applause is loud. So that the people will miss you. I want you to miss me. So me, I am done. By the supreme grace of God and the unction of me, JB can continue. He can do a very good job. I would push whatever information, everything, to the entire team to lead you into the new Ghana. I am going to hide to think about myself. You. I am just going to hide somewhere to do an introspection and reflect into how I've hurt my mother because of relationship, how I've hurt my kids because of marriage, how I've hurt the entire family, my colleagues, because of forgiveness. I am going to help, hide, and help myself. So, JB will take over. Maybe 1 year, maybe 2 years, maybe 1 week, maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. It can be any day, it can be any day. But I must thank you and say I love you for you being with me from 2001, 1st June 2021 to 5th May 2025. Missy Angel fit me on my birthday. You remember? I left on my birthday. I am out. Thank you. God bless.
Emma video about one to know. I dream of Brennan when the baby will be for sure. I was having my personal perception. Never can say, oh, ABI, you need D. I know, I can say, AD Kai Abe announced, but for sure he's been fired any other day. What I say. But me reading I'm saying there be my main analysis be ever since ya Mahama you didn't try kunyaso on the 7th January 2025. You did Mahama try kunyaso. I've been studying Onua matching with Captain Smart Oba program Oba live. I've been monitoring the show. Oma live NHT 1,000 instant views to that. Ever since I did Mahama try kunyaso 7th January 2025. Captain Smart Emma show ne so Onua show time another Onua matching with Captain Smart. Oma so NHT 1,000 instant viewers. So all your show nini pe go so instantly 1,000 1K on HT bidder. And the after so be analysis on one kasa raise ana ade ba me muni say we a settled. Or person or yeah kona who say is out of the market. The person or yeah say or de Onua na ho esa ba news room bi or de no ever trend anymore. That is one thing that came on my mind, and it is somehow true. If we say Enra, Captain Smart, esa ba Onua Tv so obi a wa na say we free ho obeche pa so in case of background obeche pa odinachi eja wo mu. Less than 2 weeks Enra was abas obe no betrim de ntia you know or go for break. I just said he collapsed and he nearly died. Emma okokoma no go coma no zia. One say bibi or heaven or wa ko hu niama bebere wa ko niama bebere
nko na aka ye ho dollars na sam but what they also be chebi *439# na wafa option number 3 na fe yetumi akọ na when you see this agubotom bibi abe fine you abe fine now ladies and gentlemen all right, so Mamindika Emma, we do a about our wife, if you have to go Aquaba. Our wife Aquaba. Is there no chill? When you're going to do a shadow with the world, open any. I got that voice in the house. Now, ladies and gentlemen, once again, let me also introduce to you the goddess, most powerful voice. Now, I don't mean to say Community Information Center, because Captain Apeka Diama, a media general, and we're into the Cardinal Swami. I'm going to soon near some crowd as well, lawyer. Every day, I could yet to think of you. But for your information, I'm sorry, my boss, General Captain Smart, Jimmy. Chairman. Yes, we are fine.
I'm sorry,
I also sorry that Cherry. Oh, yes, me again. So, oh, they're saying so, Haggin, so Finano. Sorry, Ukrono.
If you are to go.
All right, so, ladies and gentlemen, Papa no muso mo yine di no aba.
I don't see you ready.
Oh, I don't baby. I see you ready.
Anyway,
it's all over. Say, Captain, I resign. Captain, yine di. Captain, I resign. Yine di na fine ko sin se bebre. Waba, on here.
You will be a colleague of you.
No. Officially, so he was on leave and he's back.
oh,
wait, today.
Fine.
And
I am say for what me I share. I'm say as someone me kind on my birthday in Crovant yes.
Brofo na kan.
Brofo. Omo wan kan yi. Omo man kan yi.
Omo ante ase. That's fine. Yaba.
Sir.
Yeah, the yami ase say.
You suspend on wasen akwa abade.
Yes, was one way. Oje,
Chairman.
I'm in the media general penny for us. They be an omoye bibia. Me fair. me one. But the last 10-12 days in Temuni, what do you name their course?
Oh yeah, sure.
We trash in Camus. I mean, that was it.
Wow.
JB.
Chairman.
Ebia ukuyada na fiada na ebo mama ne.
Okay.
Bibi uyase.
Sure.
Me friend me elder baako.
Okay.
The friend is no, but other people there me friend wo me here. The friend elder na eldo dikru.
Yes, at least one did several times.
Eldo dikru wo Oforikrum district.
Okay.
Church of Pentecost.
Yeah.
Embre bi oso dae na we hu osoro. Na nkrofo hihye fitaa ene ade mi dwai ye po asoro mi dwai na be friend am say elder bra. Nti mo de bia mo beso dae bia no mo hu osoro. Eni nipa de fitaa. Obi ho wu a ye nhye ne fitaa. Enso mo be kasa afi be ye be du ba bi no mu ina akoye fitaa.
Ne aye no.
Many braye. Me so for ma me baako. Ono so sa na me keka kire no. By JB. Me twahwe ye na mo friend Koma no.
Yeah.
The things I saw with this my two eyes. I was telling Afia.
Okay.
JB. Once nyame ye no wu aso be ye shibruta. No. Oje we make Captain Smart na make go. NGND professor. NGND professor na make David.
Wow. Wow.
The things I saw and how those things were revealed and how we played off. No. David.
Wow.
You know what happened? Let me say the better Wednesday. But let me tell you a bit of it. They had summer hat and in the Yedidi. Alaji, or a Muslim.
Yeah.
When Chichaman, or a Muslim.
Casco, yeah.
And they say, oh, Mofaka bim branafe, yento.
Okay.
Until Yedidi. And I mean, who said, Bianana Bakwa say, a family Minumaba. Now, me, I'm a white paid off. That is what I remember.
Oh, so that who did he?
Yeah, did he? Yes, I'm going to
Bibi me. One tissue.
And
both for no.
Shinyame.
Bibi again counts.
That is all I saw.
I see.
And to say, me, so better me. Ewo hospital. And between one way farming, baby or farming, any cow, me do me 2 money dear me. But me so tell me no. And I mean, who car now? Let me too. Any baby anamida.
Wow.
Besides, said a hands way. But the things I saw, me casa see a show the end to us. And maybe I am here, don't me fiada. Na afe yet me a can ye pa. What is a sophobia cancer? My kunoda, omida.
We are matibida, but me
intense.
Yeah, normal.
Okay. That's it. Table Shafo, we are back. Yeah. Enjoy you maybe and yeah. Everybody sanka munima. Come on, compare that HBA. So this week, maybe next week, you know, who
Oh,
the usual smart. I mean, I need to go through a certain process to get everything done and done correctly.
Baby, Naomi, I say, Waba, just say, Waba, what can be? Should I write you for mammy? Ever come and say, I can't decide. What is your view? What is your take? Say, conversation. That's it. I think of